Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tiramisu pan is probably one of the most delightful and convenient ways to enjoy this classic Italian dessert. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a complete novice, this pan makes creating restaurant-quality tiramisu surprisingly easy and mess-free. Its innovative design ensures even baking and effortless layer creation, resulting in a perfectly textured and flawlessly delicious treat every single time. Prepare to be amazed by how simple it is to achieve professional results with this incredible pan. Number 5. Kenond Springform Cake Pan. Say goodbye to stuck cakes. Its removable bottom and easy release buckle make unmolding a breeze. Enjoy perfectly formed desserts every time. It features a food-grade non-stick coating, free from harmful chemicals. This ensures healthy baking and effortless cleanup. Made from premium carbon steel, it heats evenly for consistent baking. Achieve that perfect golden brown crust every time, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. From cheesecakes and tiramisu to lasagnas and pizzas, it's perfect for a wide variety of dishes. Your culinary creativity knows no bounds. This set includes the pan, 50 wax paper liners, and a 3-piece silicone spatula set, everything you need for baking success. We're committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions, contact us. We're here to help you every step of the way. What we like? It features a user-friendly design with a removable bottom and quick-release buckle for effortless cake removal. Its non-stick coating ensures easy cleaning and healthy baking. If you value convenience and a hassle-free baking experience, this is the pan for you. What people say? It worked beautifully. The pan is non-stick and was super easy to clean. Excellent quality, unique rectangle shape, and good depth. This rectangular Springform pan was exactly what I needed to make a large ice cream cake. The base has a lip to catch any leaking. Number 4. MELEG OTTHON Springform Pan. It's got a tight seal, so you won't have any leaks. This ensures your creations stay perfectly intact. The dark finish absorbs heat beautifully, leading to even baking and faster cooking times. Made from durable carbon steel, it heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly for perfect results every time. With its non-stick coating and removable bottom, releasing your cakes and cleaning up is a breeze. It's oven-safe up to 451 degrees Fahrenheit, and the extra thick rolled edges protect your hands when removing it from the oven. It makes a wonderful gift for friends and family. It's perfect for home baking and holiday celebrations. Simply hand wash it with mild detergent for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. What we like? This pan boasts a secure, leak-proof design and even heating for perfectly baked goods every time. Made from durable carbon steel, it's built to last. If you need a reliable pan that delivers consistent results, this is your best bet. What people say? It is easy to set up, easy to release and easy to wash. No need to dry it either. So far I have made a mocha tiramisu cake inside and it kept it complete intact, so that the presentation was amazing when we served it up for my dinner. I also think the quality of the material is excellent, as it is really heavy and durable. The pan on the bottom is fantastic because of the lip. I didn't have to wrap foil for the water bath. Super cute when done, and the way it can be cut makes so much more sense than around. Number 3. Aluminum Cheesecake Pan. This pan is designed for easy release and cleaning, thanks to its removable bottom. It's made from durable, food-grade aluminum for even heating and long-lasting use. It's crafted from a durable, food-grade anodized aluminum alloy. This ensures even heat distribution and lasting durability, and it's completely safe for your baking. The pan is easy to clean, and hand washing is recommended. The anodizing process is environmentally friendly and doesn't contain any harmful chemicals. It's perfect for various desserts, from cheesecakes and mousse to chiffon cakes and brownies. Use it in your home kitchen or even a professional setting. This pan is suitable for various locations, including home kitchens, cake shops, and even children's baking activities. Its 9 by 9 by 3-inch size is ideal for many recipes. With its crimping design and smooth, burr-free bottom, this pan ensures even baking and easy removal of your creations. Enjoy baking with confidence. What we like? Made from durable, food-grade anodized aluminum, it heats evenly and is dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. The non-toxic material ensures safe baking for your family. If you prioritize durability and easy cleanup, this is the perfect choice. What people say. I love removable bottom pans. I own these in 3 sizes, 8, 9, and 10. I use them for making Rice Krispie treats, brownies, blondies, and candies, soft chewy caramels, hard butterscotch, fudge, peanut butter toffee. I love that the sides are perfectly straight and perpendicular to the bottom, which makes for neat and even treats. I used this pan to make cookie bars that I wanted to have square edges. The removal process was easy and they baked evenly. I am an avid cheesecake maker but had the desire to make them in squares for ease of cutting and smaller portions. These worked perfect. Number 2. Nonstick Springform Cake Pan. This pan features a premium nonstick coating, ensuring effortless release and easy cleanup. It's made with food-grade safe materials, so you can bake with confidence. The nonstick surface helps reduce the need for excess oil, making your baked goods healthier. Remember to hand wash it to protect the coating. Its innovative buckled design and removable bottom make releasing your cakes a breeze. No more struggling to get your creations out of the pan. It's made from durable carbon steel for even heating, ensuring perfectly baked goods every time. It can withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for a wide variety of recipes, from cheesecakes and tiramisu to lasagnas and pizzas. This pan is a must-have for any home baker or restaurant. With its non-stick surface, easy release design, and even heating, it will quickly become your go-to baking pan. Get yours today. What we like. This pan's non-stick coating makes for effortless food release and easy cleaning. The even heating ensures perfectly baked goods every time. If you want a non-stick pan with superior heat distribution, this is ideal for you. What people say. I've used this pan several times with baking cheesecake in a water bath and the cheesecake always comes out nicely. This pan worked so well that when we served it directly from the bottom platter, it was not stuck. Did not leak and was an easy lift off. Love the size. It is perfect for what I wanted for. Number 1. Tiramisu Baking Mold. This amazing mold is perfect for creating delicious desserts. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. Use it to make mousse cakes, pastries, biscuits, and more. The possibilities are endless with this mold. It's made from premium stainless steel, so it's incredibly durable and easy to clean. Say goodbye to sticky messes. This mold makes creating perfectly sized cakes a breeze. It's non-stick and easy to use, even for beginners. Create cakes of any size you desire. It's incredibly versatile and adaptable to your needs. This mold is designed for easy storage and cleaning, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Whether you're a professional baker or just starting out, this mold is an essential tool for your kitchen. What we like. Made from premium stainless steel, it's incredibly durable and easy to clean. Its versatile design allows for various cake sizes. If you're looking for a long-lasting and adaptable baking tool, this is the one for you. What people say. For salad serving, cake making. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.